Hello, good afternoon. My name is Bilo Ajake. My fashion story began in 2017 and when I enrolled with a friend to learn. And ever since then, I've been having a whole lot of ups and downs because majority of places where I've been to learn fashion, there are a lot of ineptitude because many of them are not that skilled. My story turned around this year, 2021, June, July, after being shortlisted for one of the people to be trained in Wupinyon Fashion Institute. And in Wupinyon, I've been able to see a whole lot of things. In fact, I will say that Wupinyon is like a dream come true for me because here in Wupinyon, I've been able to know the nitty-gritty of fashion. So many things, talk about the fashion illustration, putting your ideas in sketches, and not just sketching it down, and also sewing it out. In fact, it was so good to be true. But anyway, it was really true. And thank God I'm a part of it. And I haven't been a part of Opinion now. It really make my orientations to be so wide that now I know that I can be self-employed. I don't need to go around seeking for employment anywhere. I can make my own money myself. And with this, I can see the future so bright, seeing myself as a brand that is soon to come out and be known. So I'm so grateful for this opportunity. And I want to thank everyone that makes this a reality, World Connect. I'm so grateful for choosing me. Thank you to all my instructors because they really make the journey smooth. They are so encouraging, so accommodating. You can ask them question and over. They won't get tired. I love them. I love everyone, my colleagues. Thank you so much. See you all at the top. Thank you.